reviving an aging desktop, accelerating load times on a legacy laptop, or expanding reliable data storage without jumping to a complex M.2 NVMe setup often means running into the strict performance ceilings of older hardware interfaces. The Samsung 870 EVO 2TB SATA III SSD, MZ77E2T0B/AM, breaks past ordinary drive bottlenecks, serving as the gold standard for squeezing the absolute maximum capability out of the traditional SATA format. The primary technological breakthrough centers on maximizing the absolute limits of legacy architecture. Powered by Samsung's advanced in-house MKX controller and 6th generation VNAND 3-bit MLC, TLC, flash memory, it hits the absolute threshold of the SATA III interface with sequential read speeds up to 560 MB per second and write speeds up to 530 MB per second. Performance is kept consistently high during massive file transfers thanks to intelligent turbo-write technology, which utilizes a large variable SLC write buffer to prevent sudden speed drops. It also packs 2 GB of LPDDR4 DRAM cache, ensuring snappy data management and seamless multitasking. Practicality defines everyday ownership through elite endurance and stress-free data migration. The 2 TB model boasts an impressive 1,200 TBW written endurance rating backed by a solid 5-year limited warranty, making it robust enough for heavy workloads ranging from everyday computing to 8K video processing. Installation is entirely straightforward via the standard 2.5-inch form factor, and Samsung's downloadable Magician software streamlines health monitoring, firmware updates, and effortless data cloning from an old boot drive. Things to consider before you buy. Because this is a 2.5-inch SATA drive, its maximum data transfer speeds are physically capped by the SATA III interface limit, 55600 MB/s, meaning it cannot match the multi-gigabit speeds of modern PCIe NVMe M.2 drives. Additionally, ensure your desktop or laptop chassis has an open 2.5-inch drive bay and an available SATA data cable connection. So, who is this really for? This drive is an absolute home run for IT professionals, content creators, and everyday users looking to breathe new life into older laptops, desktops, or network-attached storage (NAS) devices that lack M.2 slots. If you are building a bleeding-edge modern gaming rig with open PCIe Gen 4 or Gen 5 slots, an NVMe M.2 SSD will better match your motherboard's capabilities. Is it worth the money? If you want the most reliable, top-performing SATA SSD on the market to reliably upgrade your current system's capacity and boot speed without replacing your entire motherboard, it is a premier, bulletproof investment.